So it's the very early morning. I can hear the stream starting to make a little bit of noise down there, the rapids. So that means that the tide's going back out, and that's what I've been waiting for. Because at that point, the water will be shallow enough for the wolves to come back to fish.
The first thing I see are bald eagles. The thermal camera's picking up their heat like stars.
Two wolves coming out of the forest. There's a wolf. Right. They are definitely fishing. This is awesome. Oh, the one just went, bro. Oh, wait a minute. Poor guy missed it. Oh, he just got one too. He just got one too. They both got salmon. I mean, this is so cool to show how adaptive wolves are. I mean, I'm used to watching them chase down elk in Yellowstone, and here they are fishing salmon like bears. For this morning to all come together and to sit right up here, I never thought I'd see this.